Hello students, welcome to channel Maths Mint by Kamlesh. It is a question for class 11 Maths miscellaneous exercise on chapter 3, question number 8 from NCERT book. Chapter is trigonometric functions. Question 8 is find sin x by 2, cos x by 2 and tan x by 2 if tan x equal to minus 4 by 3 and x is in quadrant 2. So this is the position of x, this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant and x is lying here. So this position is pi by 2 and this position is for pi. This we know from very beginning of this chapter. So we shall write here. We also find that x is greater than pi by 2 but smaller than pi, right? So we shall write here, since x is in second quadrant, so pi by 2 is smaller than x and x is smaller than pi. On dividing by 2 we get pi by 4, x by 2, pi by 2, right? This means that is x by 2 lies in first quadrant, and in first quadrant all trigonometric functions are positive, right? Hence sin x by 2, cos x by 2 and tan x by 2 will be positive, right? This much we know. Now we have to find the value of cos, sin and tan x by 2. We know that for sec is opposite of cos and there is a relation between sec and tan. For that formula we shall write, since sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. This is identity. So here it will be 1 plus tan square x. Tan x is equal to minus 4 by 3. We shall write minus 4 by 3 here, and as it is a square, so we shall put a square here also. Here we shall write, since tan x is equal to minus 4 by 3 given, right? So on simplification it will be 1 plus minus 4 by 3 into minus 4 by 3, as it is a square, so it will be 16 minus minus plus by 9. On further 9 will be LCM, 9 will be written here, 16 will be here, so it will be 25 by 9. So we see that sec square x is equal to 25 by 9. So x sec x will be root over 25 by 9, and that will be plus minus 5 by 3. That will be plus minus 5 by 3. Sec is equal to minus 5. X is in second quadrant. Sec in second quadrant will be negative, so sec x will be minus 5 by 3. Sec x will be minus 5 by 3, right? And we know that cos x is equal to 1 by sec x will be minus 3 by 5. Cos x is equal to sec x, opposite of sec is cos, so it is opposite, means 5 by 3 minus 3 by 5 will be cos x, right? Now we have to find the value of cos x by 2. For this we shall use formula cos 2x. Formula is there. Then it will be half this side, right side, which is, since we know that cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So cos x will be 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. It is divided, x is divided, 2x is divided by 2, so it became x. X is also divided by 2, right? But cos x is equal to minus 3 by 5. We shall put here minus 3 by 5 will be 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. This minus 1 we shall put here. Minus 3 by 5 plus 1 will be 2 cos square x by 2. So it will be 5 as LCM. It will be minus 3 plus 5 will be 2 cos square x by 2. It will be 2 by 5 equal to 2 cos square x by 2. This 2 multiplied here, 2 multiplied here will be cancelled, so it will be 1 by 5. So we can write cos square x by 2 will be 1 by 5. Right? By this, cos x by 2 will be root over 1 by 5, and root of 1 will be 1 and root 5 will be here, and denominator should not be in root, so we shall rationalize it by multiplying root 5 by root 5. So cos x by 2 will be root 5 by 5. This one answer we have got. Right? Now we know sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 equal to 1. So we shall put sin square x by 2 equal to 1 minus cos square x by 2. Cos square x by 2 equal to 1 by 5 here. So it will be sin square x by 2 will be 1 minus 1 by 5. Sin square x by 2 will be 5 here, 5 will be here, 1 will be here. So from this, sin square x by 2 will be 4 by 5, and again sin x by 2 will be root over 4 by 5. Sin x by 2 will be 2 by root 5, and on rationalization by root 5 multiply by root 5. So it will be sin x by 2 will be 2 root 5 into root 5 by 5. So this is the value of sin x by 2. Right? This value we have got. Sin x by 2 is equal to 2 root 5 by 5. Now tan x by 2 will be sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. For this, sin x by 2 is equal to 2 root 5 by 5, and cos x by 2 is equal to root 5 by 5. So root 5 by 5. On simplification, it will be 2 root 5 by 5, and this will be reciprocal. So 5 by root 5. This 5 and this 5 will be cancelled. This root 5 will be cancelled. So it will be 2. Hence, sin x by 2 will be 2 root 5 by 5 cos x by 2 will be root 5 by 5 root 5 by 5 and tan pi x by 2 will be 2. This is our answer. Right? Question is lengthy and somehow clumsy. So if you are not satisfied by watching one time, you can see it 2 or 3 times. And if you find it a help, a utilized, useful, please like, share and subscribe. Support the channel, and if you have any doubt, please write in comment box. I will answer it. Thank you.